This right here is our brand new 2024 Ford F250 Platinum that we are gonna be decking out, and one of you guys is gonna win it.
Damn.
This is sick. This is definitely sick. They changed the little things, like the grill. They did the different trim, it looks like. Looks like platinum badge. It's a little different. Overall, this is a sick truck, I'm not gonna lie. Ford is really outdoing themselves every year with this stuff. Any level giveaway! So we got the F250 all labeled up, ready for all teardown. It's gonna get brushed wrap, so we're gonna start the process of ripping everything apart and then getting it prepped for wrap so the wrap guys could do their magic. So we got the whole grill coming off, headlights, trims, lower valance, tow hooks, mirrors, emblems, cab lights, all door handles, trim, window trim. Gotta have to take out the inner trim for the actual gas tank, that way they can wrap it, and we're also taking off the back of well, the top of the bed, so all the bed trim taken off, and then tail lights, and then third brake light, and then disassembling the rear bumper. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's just the beginning process of every build is just labeling and then tearing everything apart and getting it ready for wrap. So yeah, so we just took off the tailgate platinum. So this is gonna get painted satin black. So that's gonna look saucy. And then we just took off the rest of the trim pieces for the actual outside. Took off the internals. That way we could get the handle latch off so the guys could start wrapping it. And then once that's done, slap it all back together. Now we gotta take apart the rear bumper. So that's not getting anything like crazy, not like paint. It's just the exterior trim is gonna get taken off. That way they could wrap it, the actual housing of the bumper. And then I put all the trim back on. So that's pretty much the last finishing step. We pretty much got this whole truck stripped down in 24 hours. So now it's on to the lift kit once that comes in. Just leave it there. Leave it there. Another brush wrap going down. Follow.
It's a fourth brush wrap.
High Country. Denali. I think Denali was second. M3. F250. We're gonna hopefully have body of the truck minus bumpers, grill from paint, maybe tailgate done by Saturday. This one we're gonna try to do real quick, real quick. A lot of colors gonna go, not a lot of color, a lot of texture because it's black going to black. It's going brushed black by 3M. Yep. I was gonna say we need like something to cover that. That just says the lab. We need Gio to get custom ones that say the lab. The lab wraps with our.
Okay. All right.
Let's go. You want to do M's up, arrows back? Yeah. Brush black 2.0. Okay, people. All right, front fender's done on the truck. Typically,
on other vehicles with not a brush material, not a texture to it. I could just do the rear door, I could do the bedside, whatever the case may be. But with this material, we want to go in order down the vehicle. So then you can lay the next piece. The brush lines will match up. If I go to the rear door, I can get a guesstimate of what it's actually gonna be up and down, but better off starting with the front door from the fender, working our way back so we have the lines as close as physically possible. Start on the front door now, work our way to the back of the truck, get this thing done in 3 days.
So we just got back all of our stuff from Powder Coat. So we got the nice PMF 4-inch lift kit, all done up nice and nice. We got the nice gloss black with the satin to match. So it's gonna be really sick. But yeah, this is all the rear stuff, blocks, traction bar brackets, diff, U-bolts, leaf support. And then we got the front 3-link. And then just the stabilizer bracket for the diff. Nothing, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Traction bars are over there because couldn't fit it on the table because they're big. So we're gonna start ripping apart the old suspension and put the new one on. So nice, simple job. So
What's in this box?
it's in that box. You wanna know? These are the new Fox 2.5s with the Resis. These things are sick. They're gonna allow you to have a nice smooth ride while driving with this big old lifted truck. So these ones, they come black with black resi, black and silver resi, and then the actual cylinder is silver or aluminum. But no, this looks sweet. So that's for the front, and for the rears, same thing, 2.5, new style from Fox. And we got the nice black and silver with the orange, and then this aluminum housing. Yeah, it looks dope. They're gonna ride really nice though, so that's the nice thing about Fox's 2.0s and above. They just ride so smooth on the road, especially with these big lifted trucks. So yeah, we got stuff here and there from paint, so we got that all back together. Just waiting on this little square to come back, and then yeah, get that back. We're waiting for the other piece for the front grille, and then once that's back, we're gonna have the guys wrap the front face. So this is all gonna be brushed black, just like the truck, and then yeah, it's just gonna accent it really nice. And then threw on the headlight and the front bumper yesterday. So those are the headlights, and then yeah, the front bumper with all the accents. It looks so dope. The mirrors, those got stripped down, painted. Steph did his magic with the lights. Just so clean, honestly. They look so good with satin black. Looks so sick. But yeah, the tail lights and the third brake light also got done up. They got tint and border. So third brake light up there. Nice little design. And then we got the tail lights that are tint and border too. So yeah, no, they came out sick. Pretty much it. Now we're just gotta throw this pig back together. For this truck, we brought it back. Yep, we got the floaters. Liberty Forge, LGND specials. These things look mean. Yeah, look at those. I wanted to buy these, but they're like, no, we're gonna use it for the giveaway. I'm like, damn it! I really wanted these for my truck, but it's gonna look kind of amazing.
All right, get back to work.
Alright, well, update is where he put the parts on the car, which is pretty cool. It's not fully like torqued down, but yeah, I just throw it up together. Once I get the weight of the car, I'm gonna torque everything down.
Why do you keep saying car? It's a truck, dude.
It's been a long day, dude. Come on. Anyways, the truck. So we put the new parts on the F350. Got the Fox 2.5s on. All the new stuff. 3-link, new sway bar, track bar adjuster. I gotta put the dual stabilizers on the front, and then got the Fox 2.5s in the back mounted up with the new PMF inverted U-bolt plate. That looks pretty sick. Do the brake line extensions, the running boards, those are already done. I just gotta slap those on. Torque all the suspension components, and then she's ready. Besides the rock lights, because Quinn's still doing that. Other than that, she's good to go. Midnight release. Alright guys, so LGND47 is all done up. We're just waiting on small little things that are coming in for like badging wise. But other than that, the truck is fully done up. All set, torqued down. We got the wheels on, all PMF suspension. We even got the 2023 new Wasala for low leveling kit from PMF, which is really nice. So that's all done up. Yeah, we got the rear track bars on, PMF rear, 2.5 shocks, front and rear. Some badass Liberty Forge wheels with the floaters. Yeah, those things are so cool. I'm super psyched on how this build came out. Yeah, it's just between the color matching and how the brush came out with it, looks so good. But yeah, now we're gonna go for a ride and see how it drives. Get those seatbelts on, man. Safety first. For interior wise, it's pretty much fully loaded platinum for F350. Yeah, the interior is absolutely insane. I always love how the Fords do the platinums. But no, honestly, I love how the platinums look. They just look so good. Between those and the limited with the white and blue interior, like by far my favorite interior out of every manufacturer, honestly, between GM, Dodge, and Ford for truck wise. Yeah, it's pretty dope. But now, oh wait, that's the rear. This is how much I really don't mess with these things. I know Owen always messes with these. Oh wait. There we go. Now we're closing it. Nice. Alright, for a quick drive. Right down the road. No plate. Probably should have grabbed the plate. Good. I'm just driving down the road. Plus I gotta readjust the drag line, obviously. But this road always concourse, so your wheels always gonna be on. Yeah. It sucks. But yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. If I do say so myself, let's not. We gotta turn here because, heaven forbid my luck, there's a cop right there. Never seen so many potholes. What is this, New Jersey? Is this the Turnpike? The Tappan Zee? Drives. Yeah, but for the most part, this truck drives really nice. They always do. AMF makes a nice lift kit, if I do say so myself. But yeah, we're also waiting on the 2023 style diff covers to come in from PMF. We got the front, so we're waiting for the rear to come in. That way it's gloss black. Front's at powder coat right now, so once that gets back, we'll slap that on. And then hopefully they could make us a rear diff cover. Not even